Students, today we will go for an activity in this presentation to show that matter is made up of some particles. That means matter contains some constituent particles. What to do? We take a beaker in the lab. In this beaker you see these blue dot lines and this contour, it represents some water. So you have taken a beaker and put some water. Now in this beaker you see these red dots. These are actually potassium permanganate particles, which are violet black in color in reality. Now after you place this, what do you observe? We observe that some purple color will try to come up from these points, that means these crystals, and it will just go on spreading up in water. See, I have also mentioned this in the caption here, just labeled and also written so that you can understand as much as possible to make you understand. So here these are actually the purple color that is just gushing into the water and getting mixed up. So later on, after a long time, what do we observe? We observe that the water is becoming purple from colorless, but the purple color will just go on mixing with water as the time elapses. Now why this is happening and what is the reason behind this? Now this is only possible because water is in a liquid state and there should and must be some empty space present inside the system of water. That means water is a liquid, so liquid molecules should and must contain some empty spaces in which the solid particles are just getting inside. These solid particles are potassium permanganate particles, which are purple in color. They are just getting inside the spaces present in the liquid water. This is actually an activity. So from this activity, two things are clear. One, matter is made up of particles. So I'm just writing the conclusions. One, matter is made up of particles. Why? Because these particles, as it just come into the water medium, you see a change of color in the particle. And secondly, water also contains a particle which are colorless. So from colorless to transition towards violet. Now second thing is that matter with liquids or gases, or rather you can say fluids, contain some intermolecular spaces. Now a question will come, what about the solid? Yes, in solids this intermolecular space is very less. And in solid the particle can just rather oscillate on its mean position. The particles are moved. In liquid the particles are moving. While moving, it is also driving the particle of the violet substance, that is potassium permanganate, and you see it is just getting mixed up. So this is an activity to show that matter is made up of particles.